In this video, we'll build a spinning coin that flips in space, showing both its front and back. This approach works perfectly for interactive elements, rewards, or any time you need dimensional motion without the complexity of 3D software. Start by creating a circle for the coin's face. Align it to center, then duplicate it. Scale the duplicate down slightly. This will be your inner detail. Change the fill colors for both circles. We're using 2 shades of orange to create that golden coin look. Group these together and give the group a clear name like coin face. Organized naming makes animation much easier. Now, let's add a design to the coin's face. Open the library panel and click on the crown icon to add it to your canvas. Align it to center and scale it to fit nicely within your coin. Once positioned, group both the crown and the coin face together. Keeping elements grouped this way makes animating them as a unit much simpler. Now, duplicate your coin group and name them front and back. Add position and scale animators to both groups. Move your playhead to the middle of the timeline. Now, animate the scale of both groups by setting Scale X to 0. This creates that edge-on flattened look. Next, animate position. Select one group, hold Shift, and press the left arrow key twice, then select the other group and press the right arrow twice. This separates them equally from the center. Create a rectangle to represent the coin's edge, the thin side you see when it's flipped. Move this rectangle between the groups in your layers and add a scale animator to it. Move the playhead back to the beginning and set its Scale X to 0. Now go to the end of your timeline and duplicate the first keyframes to complete the loop. As you can see, it doesn't look right yet. Let's fix that with an opacity trick. First, duplicate the back coin group and move it to the top of your layers. Click the eye icon to hide it for now. Now go to the original back group and delete the crown and inner circle so that only the flat, darker orange color remains. Select the crown and the smaller inner circle from the front group and add an opacity animator at the middle of the timeline. Hold the Control or Command key while scrolling to zoom in and out on the timeline, or use the zoom slider so you can see milliseconds. Move the playhead forward just one step and set the opacity of these elements to 0. This creates a good flip, but the back of the coin is now blank. To fix that, go back to the copy of the back group and make it visible again. Add an opacity animator at the middle of the timeline and set it to 0. Move forward 1 millisecond and set it back to 100%. Now the coin appears to spin continuously through space, showing detailed artwork on both sides. Finally, add easing to make the motion feel natural. Apply an ease in sign to the first half of your animation and an ease out sign to the second half. This makes the coin accelerate toward the center and decelerate as it reveals each face, just like a real object spinning in space. And there you have it, a convincing 3D coin flip using only 2D transforms and smart opacity switching. This layering technique works for any rotating object that needs to show multiple sides.